Hi and welcome to my channel Modern Modiste. In this video I'm going to show you how I took this denim jacket and refashioned it to be this denim plaid mix jacket. So this was the picture I saw on Pinterest that inspired me to do this project in the first place. Okay, start by marking where you'd like your jean jacket to end and your flannel to begin. I marked mine just above the pockets. Cut on the line marked. Next, mark and cut the sleeves according to your preferred denim to flannel ratio. My jean jacket's side seams curved in to have a more defined waist, so I cut open the side seams, stopping about ½ inch from the armpit seam. Then I used some denim fabric I already had to cut triangles to expand the size of the jacket. I hemmed the two sides of the jacket with a thin single fold. Then pinned the triangle into the open side seam and sewed in place. Once that was sewn in, I cut the excess fabric from the bottom and repeated on the other side. I got these two flannels from the thrift store for about $4 each. Take the bottom half of the sleeve, cut from the denim jacket, and use it to mark the length of the flannel sleeve. Cut leaving 1/4 inch seam allowance along the top. Then mark the width of the denim sleeve along the flannel. Pin to hold in place, then sew. Do the same thing for the contrasting flannel sleeve and then cut the excess fabric. I finished the raw edges with a zigzag stitch and a straight stitch through the zigzag stitch. Next, you're going to put the flannel sleeve inside out into the denim jacket sleeve, lining up the two raw edges. Pin to hold in place and sew. Repeat with the other sleeve. Now cut the bottom half of the flannel shirts. Line up the side seams of the flannel shirt, then cut down the center of the back. With your jean jacket folded in half, pin the two flannels together so that the top edge matches the length of the raw edge of the denim jacket. Now sew the two flannels together and then cut the excess fabric. Again, I finished the raw edge with a zigzag stitch and a straight stitch through the center of the zigzag stitch. Then fold over the raw edge towards the right side of the flannel and sew to hem the raw edge. Pin the raw edge of the denim jacket to the hemmed edge of the flannel. I tried it on before sewing and decided I wanted the jacket to have a straight raw hem, so I cut the bottom of the jacket. Now sew the flannel to the denim jacket. When I started on the sleeves, I forgot to make sure I picked which flannel would go on which sleeve to make sure the denim jacket's buttonholes would align with the flannel's buttonholes. So I had to sew these buttonholes closed, which I did by zigzag stitching back and forth over the buttonholes. After closing the buttonholes, I seam ripped off the buttons on the other side. Before adding new buttonholes in the buttons back, I decided to add pockets because what's a jacket without pockets, right? I cut 2 pockets from the sleeves. I sewed down the sides, making sure to leave one side open to turn the sleeve right side out. I turned the pockets right side out and top stitched, making sure to close the open side. Then pin the pockets to the jacket and sew them on. Next, I marked where I wanted my new buttonholes to go and sewed new buttonholes using the buttonhole foot. Then I use a seam ripper to rip open my new buttonholes using a sewing pin as a stopper to make sure I didn't rip through the thread. To finish this project, I sewed on new buttons to align with the new buttonholes. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye! Oh, and here's a sneak peek of my next project. Very exciting, so stay tuned.